This verse will change your life. Second Chronicles chapter 20, verse 21. And when he had consulted with the people, he appointed singers unto the Lord, and that should praise the beauty of holiness, as they went out before the army, and to say, Praise the Lord, for his mercy endureth forever. Gratitude can change everything. Listen, hindi lang po ito basta verse. Ito po ay life principle. Kasi minsan tayo gusto po natin ng victory pero ayaw natin ng worship. Gusto natin result pero ayaw natin ng response. Sabi po sa ating verse, mga kapatid, hindi po soldiers ang pinangunahan, kundi po worshipers, kundi singers. Hindi po espada, kundi pagsamba. Imagine mo yun, sa harap ng gera, mga kapatid, ang dala nila hindi po shield, kundi praise the Lord for His mercy endureth forever. Ito po yung punchline. Minsan, ang pinakamalakas mong sandata ay yung hindi mukhang sandata. Hindi po yung complain, hindi po yung reklamo, hindi po yung pagkalma sa sarili, kundi yung pasasalamat, mga kapatid. Because gratitude is not just a feeling. It is a faith statement. Gratitude says, Lord, hindi ko po hawak, pero hawak mo ako. Lord, hindi ko po kita ang sagot, pero nakikita mo ang bukas. Lord, hindi pa tapos ang laban, pero tapos na ang victory. Ito yung rhyme na hindi mo dapat kalimutan. Kapag natutunan mong magpasalamat sa laban, si Lord ang lalaban sa laban. You know, parang imposible yung laban that time kina Jehoshaphat, mga kapatid. Pero, grabe si Lord. Siya po ay gumalaw that time, mga kapatid. Kaya minsan, bago mo hingin yung blessing, subukan mo munang ibigay yung worship sa Panginoon. Bago mo hingin ang lahat ng bagay sa buhay mo, subukan mo munang ibigay ang blessing words. Kasi gratitude doesn't change your situation first. It changes you. And when God changes you, the situation follows. So, tomorrow morning, pagising mo, instead of, Lord, bakit ganito? I-try mo ito. Lord, salamat kahit ganito. Even if your situation is very hard, thank the Lord. And wait, watch, and witness. Verse 22 sabi doon, And when they began to sing and to praise, the Lord set ambushments against the children of Ammon, Moab, and Mount Seir, which were come against Judah, and they were smitten. Nanalo po sila. Parang imposible, pero nanalo. Naglaban yung dalawang group, no? Pero yung mga worshipers, yung nagpasalamat sa Panginoon, sila po yung panalo. Gratitude can change your day. Gratitude can change your heart. Gratitude can change everything. Kaya yung Second Chronicles chapter 20 verse 21, hindi lang po siya basta verse. Victory pattern po ito. God bless you.